This video shows how to confirm a hotel reservation. These are unconfirmed reservations that hold rooms on the front desk. Hotelogix lets you easily confirm hotel reservations. Let us see how. Hotel reservations are displayed in their own unique color on the front desk. Right-click the hotel reservation that you wish to confirm. Click View Details in the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing so that you can make changes. Confirm the reservation by clicking Reserve. Click OK in the confirmation box. The confirmed reservation is indicated by the change in color on front desk. Alternatively, to view a hotel reservation, click on a number on any of its stay dates on the blocked row. The Temp Room List tab opens showing list of all hotel reservations for the selected dates. Now, click Reserve in front of the reservation to confirm. A confirmation panel opens. Click OK. The reservation is confirmed on front desk. The numbers on the blocked row also update. You may also open the temp room list under Room Operations. Use the date fields to list the reservations you wish to confirm. This brings us to the end of the video on how to confirm a hotel reservation.